guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalpana. I hope you all are doing good. So Nykaa Hot Pink sale just got over a few weeks ago and there were huge discounts and lot of freebies. So I picked up bunch of products, both makeup and skincare. So today's video is going to be a haul video where I'm going to show all the products that I got from this Hot Pink sale. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm starting with skincare products and the first product that I have is this shower gel from Liril. I love using nice smelling shower gels, and till last year I was so obsessed with Fiamma Devil shower gels and I have used almost all their variants, and now I'm just trying all the variants of Liril. I already have the blue one and the pink and those are amazing, and this one I have already started using this. Oh my god, this smell reminds me of the Liril soap that we used to use. I'm loving this. And next up I have this Vaseline regular body lotion, and I was using this blue variant that just launched a few months ago, and I must say I'm not happy with it. It's not moisturizing enough for my dry skin and it doesn't have that minty effect very strong as well, and I wanted another body lotion, so I just ordered this. I've used this one a lot of time. I love Vaseline lotions. So next up I have this cute little bottle of coconut oil. So this is Merit Visio Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, and I have been using this from last 3 to 4 years, and I love this. I keep switching brands sometimes, but this is my constant, and I ordered this small bottle this time. I also use this as my makeup remover when I have super glam look with waterproof products. I freaking love this one. Next we have face moisturizer from Plum. So this is their Plum Hello Caring Day Moisturizer. I have used it earlier and I quite liked it, and it has got a strong smell, but this works quite good on my dry skin, so that is why I got it again. By the way, I'm currently obsessed with Pond's Light moisturizer, but I need variety in my products, especially those which we use very frequently, and I come in dry skin category, and moisturizer is something that I keep using the whole day. And also most of my moisturizers that I'm using currently are in tub form. I wanted a travel friendly tube packaging, although we are not traveling anywhere, but still I don't know why I got this, but yes. Next up we have this deep purity mask from Spa Week. I'm not sure how many of you have heard about this brand, but I have used their BB cream I think 2 years ago, and I quite liked it because it was very dewy and it was somewhat similar to Garnier BB cream, which I just love. And also the campaign of this brand was based on, you know, moisturization, hydration and all those things, and I just go mad when I see this thing, so I had to pick this one. So you just have to keep this mask for 3 minutes. After that you can just wash it off. I have used it once, I think day before yesterday, but still I have to use it few more times to exactly see what it is doing for my skin. The next and the last product in the skincare category has to be my sheet mask, and I ordered 10 of these sheet masks. My skin absolutely loves sheet mask. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love it and I make sure to use them once in a week, and there are always offer going on like 5+5, sometimes 7+7, like that. So this time it was 5+5, so I paid 500 rupees for 10 sheet mask. And my favorite variant from all these 10 that I picked up has to be these 3. This one is pomegranate. Oh my god, I just love this one. And second is this aloe vera and green tea. And this is strawberry one. Other ones are also very interesting, like this is black mud and aloe vera, and this is rice and camellia for nourished and radiant skin. I always order a bunch of other variants too, so that's that. With that we ended up the skincare category. Now let's see what I picked up from makeup. The first one is Garnier Oil Infusing Micellar Water. So I was using their normal micellar water, but to remove waterproof products, I think this works better than that, so yes. Next product is this pack curler. This comes in this packaging and it looks like this. I have already used it. This works quite amazing. I lost my previous curler and it was old also, so I picked this curler. I think I got a discount for 100 or 150 rupees. That is a good deal because getting discount on pack items is very rare. So yeah. Next product is again from Pack and it is their lashes. So I picked 2 of these lashes. I have already used Pack lashes earlier. They work so good. They are very affordable and during the sale they were even cheaper. So the first variant is mink lashes. I just inserted them upside down. Please ignore that. And the next one is tapered lash. I am yet to use this. Next thing is this nail paint from K Beauty and the shade name is Seafront 07. This is very nice blue pastel color. These are also on my nails currently, but my nails are not in good condition, so I'm just not going to focus. So next product is my most favorite item from this complete haul and it is Smashbox lipstick duo set that they collaborated with Shobita. The first color is nude pink color Gulabe, which I'm also wearing currently on my lips and this looks stunning. Second is their deep red color and the name is Boss. I think both of them are so beautiful. And last year also I picked up the duo set that they collaborated with Malvika and those 2 shades were also amazing. I couldn't miss this thing. If you didn't pick this Smashbox set this time, next time please pick it because these lipsticks are beautiful and they are expensive too. But in this sale you are just paying $9.90 for I think decent size of 2 lipsticks. So I think it's a very good deal. We have this super famous product, Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I love Maybelline mascaras because they are so good in quality, affordable and easily available, and also a lot of sale keep on going. And I keep switching mascaras. Like sometimes I would order Colossal and then Lash Sensational again and then some other variant. Next up is this natural bronzer from Rimmel and this is such a popular product and I can't believe I'm using it for the first time. And I didn't pick just one but 2 of them mistakenly and in the same shade. The shade is Sun Dance and I'm wearing it today and this works quite good and bronzers don't get over easily, and now that I have 2 of them I don't think I have to restock them soon. So yes. The last product from the makeup category as well as this haul is this blush palette from Maybelline and just see how beautiful these blush colors are. These first 3 are blush colors starting from the lighter color and moving towards the darker one, and this is the highlighter. I'm not a big fan of this highlighter. I might use but I'm not sure, but I definitely like these blush shades, especially these first 2. I think next I'll be buying blushes in this peach color I really love, but I don't have a good peach blush. So yes. So these were the items that I picked from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And a fun fact, I placed not 1, not 2 but 3 orders during this sale because I know a lot of products go out of stock as soon as the sale begins. So I just used to add 4 or 5 products in my cart and place the order because it sucks when the product that you want to buy from the sale is already out of stock. So yes. So that's all for this haul video today. I hope you like it. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video on my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.